Hey guys, what's up? We're back in the garage working on the Trans Am. We got about 4 weeks to get this thing to a car show. So we're on the scramble.
Let's move, boys.
Let's get her done.
Keep picking that up.
Yeah, he's slacking.
Not gonna finish herself.
Jay's over here working on stuff. Rod's over here working on stuff.
We like our stuff.
Corey's over here working on stuff. We'll show you a little bit in the video as we go. But yeah, we're on the mad scramble. He's drinking coffee. Slacker.
That's tea, get it right.
Tea, whatever. Still slacking. Enjoy the show.
Supervising.
I'm doing more wiring.
I was gonna say, Rod's doing the never-ending wiring that seems to be going on
It's
for
getting
like
closer.
seems to be going on for like 3 months.
It has been. It's okay. I'm not. It's coming though. We're having fun.
Well, as long as you know, eventually works and doesn't melt things down.
Yeah. It's one fuse at a time.
Help.
Powering up.
Work perfect when it's done, right? First time.
It's gonna be perfect. Absolutely. Yeah.
Hey buddy, how you doing? I'm working on the downpipe off the turbo. So, turbo right here. There's an external wastegate on this turbo, and I need to plumb that into the downpipe. So, a little more fab, and then we'll have this pipe back in, and honestly, just finish the exhaust from there.
Wrap it up, and she's good to go.
Wrap, that's your job.
Yeah, of course it is.
You know what I mean? You gotta do something.
Oh! Wear safety gear, kids.
That's exactly what I was just about to say to you.
Yeah, you should have said there's a good possibility that could happen. Yeah, same thing. Listen, get all your welding gloves on. I'd hate to get burnt. Yeah, I will. I'm a pansy.
Yeah, that's all caught on video. Jay, you're pretty good with that pipe.
I know.
Lots of practice, right?
Lots of practice. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of practice. Man, oh man, hackles you get around here. This is the downpipe for the car, custom piece. Got V-bands on both ends. It shoots it down to just under the passenger side. Got a couple O2 sensors, or bungs in it, and it's pretty much ready to go. Just need to make that blow-off valve or waste wastegate fit in there properly. So that's next. Then we're going to cover it with the nice fancy heat wrap stuff, header wrap stuff.
Wastegate.
Wastegate. Wastegate! Okay, attempt 1. Too big.
Here we go. One window switch. Custom mounted.
Bling bling.
So mounted it in. Got a couple little aluminum brackets on the bottom. Keep it in place. Looks good, buddy. See that? Rounded the corners. You're brutal. You're too much.
Looks good though, eh?
That looks good.
I think it looks good.
Ugh.
Nice job.
It's supposed to be there.
Well done.
Grindy, grindy.
It's right here.
Hope it fits.
Red with black
This will be like the
stripes.
5th time I put it in there.
And it goes up here, and I think it goes up to the battery.
Good thing Jay wasn't around.
As he's shitting himself in here.
Reaching glowy goodness.
Yeah, you moving it or you? Yeah, I'm just looking around to see what else I need to do. Just over here now. I think I just let it down. It's not the prettiest job, but it's done.
You got much stickies inside?
What?
You got much sticks closer inside?
I don't know. Yeah. All right, guys, we got Will from HFX Stackles here. Just putting a little bit of final touches on the engine compartment of the Trans Am. Oh yeah. That looks sweet. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is what I've been working on today.
Alright folks, I'm going to cut the video short this week. As you can see, we have a long way to go in a short period of time. But listen, join us next week and we'll see how we get this car into the trailer. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And for God's sake, get out and enjoy some of your projects.